Yeah, so hello guys. Here's a good update and very important update in that matter for you. If you're a member of Stable Fund, okay. First and foremost, if you see up here, you're going to see this announcement here, okay, which goes to tell you there's an important update that you need to know, okay. You and I know that Stable Fund actually suspended staking and withdrawal because of some feud, people peddling rumors, saying all sorts of negative things about the project. So Michael and his team decided to put a hold on the project, pending when some certain things are actually fixed about Stablefund. Okay. Now, if you're a member of Stablefund, quickly, I want you to go after watching this video. I want you to quickly dash into your mail. Okay, go to your mail. They just send you, Stablefund actually just sent you a mail informing you about the refund of your initial deposit into the project. Okay, let's assume you actually deposit like $10,000 into the project Stablefund. You are going to get back your money. Okay, that is an assurance coming from Michael. I've been following Michael for quite a while. Before even coming into Stablefund, there was a project he was running. I was among his followers right from then. So I know him for he's a man that actually keeps his word. He's going to refund you any amount of money that you actually invested into this project. Okay. Don't be bothered about that. I've never been bothered about whether I will be refunded or not. As soon as he said it that we're going to be refunded, I knew quite well that I'm going to be refunded. So quickly dash into your mail, go to your mail and read your mail. Okay. So Stablefund is actually refunding its investors. Now let's come back here and click on this button. Okay, now I click on this button. Let's read there. Say, given below is the list of wallets your account currently holds and the amount of refund the wallet qualify for under each one of stake contract. Okay, so they are going to be telling you about the updates on the contracts, the wallets that you actually use to send Bitmatic, BNB, or BUS. Like in my own case, you can see this is the only address I have here, and this address is actually from my Stablefund. It's my Stablefund address. Okay, so presently I have $164 that will be refunded to me. You know why it's like this? I actually came in with, I put in $600 into this, 605 or thereabout. Okay, so I've been taking profits. Okay, that is my nature. I don't like compounding. I put in money, then I take profit. Okay, because of my experiences I've had in the past. So I've been taking profits, and for all the profit I've taken, this is the amount that is left, meaning I've taken about $436 okay, as profit. So this is what is left for me. Okay, you can see I did not stake any Matic, I did not stake any BNB. So this is the amount that will be paid to me. Okay, now for the refund, we actually have two options. Okay, is either you want a refund, okay, or you want to participate in the V2, right? So the decision is left with you to make. Okay, if you want to click to go on refund, you're going to do this. You want to, but let me quickly show you something. If you know you want to take a refund, like I already told you, quickly as you are reading this email, you better follow up and do it now, because this thing is going to be first come first serve. Okay, if you read this mail here, you can see the basis meaning if one of the okay, no, let's go refund me button, then you will be one of the first to receive your refund. Okay, what they're actually saying here is this. The earlier you actually click on the refund me, okay, the better for you, because not like the better for you, but you'll be among the first people to actually get a refund, right? So I want you to actually go to your box, read this email for yourself. Yeah, if I'm going to read this whole mail, it's going to take a whole lot of time, make the video to be long. So I want you to read this mail for yourself and follow the actions that is stated there. Okay, so let's go to now this is Stablefund. Okay, so you can see what they're actually trying to do is they are going into a new project, which is the V2. Now the V2, the basic info on the V2 platform is that you'll be start earning 1% daily. Okay, and that will be just for the trading days of forex. This is forex, and you know forex actually trade from Monday to Friday. Okay, so as you can see on my screen here, it says the basic info on the V2 platform. Okay, 1% daily reward on trading days. Okay, will only trade 5 days a week, which is Monday to Friday, trading only on MT4 platform, right? So meaning that you'll be taking 1% daily from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday down to Friday. Okay, there's no Saturday, Sunday. Okay, now this is not the full details about the V2. Okay, you can see they say more details about V2 will be announced in the coming days, right? So they are going to give us more details on whether your principal deposit can be withdrawn or is going to be locked forever. So these are more details that we need on this particular V2, which they promise they are going to be dishing out to us more. Okay, so for this, because I actually have like 3 different accounts. I have for myself, I have for 2 of my siblings. So for this particular account, and to also make you understand how this thing actually works, so I'm going to be doing refund for this particular account. So I'm going to click on refund. So this thing, I'm going to be doing it live. You can see you don't need to do anything, just click on refund, right? You can you can read this. As you click on that refund, automatically, okay, you say your request has been successfully submitted. You don't need to do any other thing. Okay, when you just click on that refund me, automatically the request will be sent to the development, to the dev team. Okay, and they are going to process this balance, whatever is the balance you have here, be it on BUSD, be it on BNB, be it on Matic. Automatically the balance will be processed into your account. For me, this account, this wallet address you see here is actually my Stablefund wallet account. Let me quickly show you that. If you go to my wallet here, if you come here and click on deposit, even up here you can see this is the same wallet account here. Okay, if you click on this deposit here, go to BNB, BUSD. If I click on BUSD, you can see this is the wallet address of my BUSD. So automatically, if I'm refunded that $160, if I'm refunded that $160, the money is going to come and it's going to show up here. Okay. So if it shows up here, what I need to do, if I want to send it out, I just click on send. Okay. Remember that this Stablefund whole thing is also a wallet. Okay. Just like MetaMask and Pancake Swap, this is also a wallet, so you can actually use it to receive money and store your money and do whatever you want to do here. Okay, so for mine, the money automatically is going to come here because basically I use this wallet majorly as my staking wallet, right? So it's going to come in here. So quickly jump to your email, read the information about the email, and also come here and click on this announcement button, right? And then follow the process. Okay, so that is the information I actually wanted to show you guys. And I believe you actually got value from this. Remember, if you got value from this video and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that subscription button. And also, please go ahead and like this video. Like this video so that a whole lot of people that are members of Stablefund will get to see it, okay? And they actually follow this process to either get a refund, or when they click on this participate in V2, it will take them to the V2 platform, okay? So that is information you need to know. Now, remember, if you don't want a refund and you want to take this your fund, the money you have here, be it on Matic, BNB, or BUSD, you want money to be used directly on the V2, you just need to click this participate in V2. You don't need to click on refund me, okay? So you just need to click either one of these two, okay? So that is it. Thank you for taking your time to watch the video. Do take care of yourself, and bye-bye.